today we're going to make a flame vanish. So first thing we have is some citric acid, 5 millilitres of water, some bicarbonate of soda, aka some sodium hydrogen bicarbonate, and a mixing tube. You might recognise these ingredients from my breathless balloons video, where we inflated a balloon with chemical reactions. So now, time to pour the water into the mixing tube. Then pour half the bicarbonate of soda into here. So then we will put the citric acid in afterwards. So round half. Then, so shaky time.
Why are you shaking it?
To dissolve it.
And why does shaking it help it dissolve faster?
Because it's applying more motion and friction, which causes heat. Now we are going to pour our citric acid into it to get the reaction. So we're going to pour half of it in. Oh, it's fizzing. Fizzing is that half? No, I need a bit more. There we go. You can see it bubbling and fizzing. And I can feel some air coming out the top. So, whilst this is happening, I will explain why this is making a reaction. So, the murky water is a solution of the bicarbonate of soda, which is reacting to the citric acid after being poured in, which is making a gas form in the inside, which is making the bubbles, which is making this liquid rise.
And what is that gas?
Carbon dioxide.
Why isn't the carbon dioxide floating out the top?
It's a heavy gas. It's heavier than oxygen.
So it's pushed the air out instead?
Yes. So, it's time to see what happens next. It's not working. Why is it not working? Ta-da! We are going to do this again in a slow-mo. So, oh, it worked, but I tipped it in at the last second. The reason how fire is able to burn is of 3 components. Think of it as a triangle. One side is fuel, the other side is oxygen, and the last side is heat. And if you take one of the components away, the triangle will collapse, which is the fire. It will stop burning, and the carbon dioxide pushed the oxygen out of the way because it is a heavier gas. It filled the space it was on. It didn't really work well for us, though.
And why was that?
I kept pouring the liquid on. Bye, everybody!